Hi there, I'm Tom Berry, CEO of ILS Capital, and I want to first of all thank you for signing up for our upcoming investment dinner. I'm really looking forward to getting to talk with you and explain to you a little bit more about alternative investments. So I thought I would give you a real quick little snippet in a video here to give you a preview of what we're going to be talking about. And I want to first of all start out with, what are alternative investments? That's obviously the topic of the dinner, and alternative investments are simply investments that aren't typically mainstream, that can be bought through a broker, dealer, or a investment advisor. So examples of alternative investments might be investments in precious metals. It might be investments in real estate. It might be investments in real estate syndications or loans. Those are all examples of alternative investments. So a question that I get often is, why would I want to look at alternative investments instead of the traditional mutual fund stocks and bonds? And while a very good question, I think there are many answers for that. And first of all is diversification. I would look at alternative investments as an addition to what you're already doing in your traditional portfolio, and not necessarily a replacement for it. Now, a lot of people, when they get involved in alternatives and they find a lot of alternative investments and a lot of alternative sponsors and operators that they like, a lot of them will move out of the traditional realm and more into the alternative space. But that's certainly not something that we advocate. That's something that you would want to do if that's what you decided to, based on your experience in the alternative world. What we want to do is just expose you to the fact that there are investments out there called private investments that are not offered through broker dealers, and these are often investments, what we would say, in Main Street investments rather than Wall Street investments. So if you looked at your traditional stocks, bonds, mutual funds, things of that nature, we would more consider those a Wall Street type investment, while alternatives are more a Main Street investment. You're investing with a local operator, most generally, at least in real estate, maybe even a local piece of real estate or a local real estate development or a local real estate transaction. So with alternatives, you're going to actually know the operator. You're going to actually have access to that operator in most cases, and you're going to be able to ask questions of the actual decision makers. When you're purchasing stock or purchasing a mutual fund investment, it's rare that you're actually going to be able to talk to the CEO of that company or the fund manager of that mutual fund and ask them questions about that particular investment. So it gives you a way through alternatives to be able to invest local in projects that you can see, touch, feel, and with operators that you can actually talk with and ask questions of. So hopefully that kind of gives you a little bit of a glimpse into what alternative investments are, and we'll talk more at the dinner about some of the alternatives that we offer in local transactions and local deals that we're doing. So see you at the dinner.